Welcome to Locally guys. Successfully, Indian people completed 60 days of lockdown. Some are an outlaw, they didn't even bother about corona and the lockdown rules. Those are an exception to this video. Before lockdown, most of us are busy and all vehicles are being on road making lots of air pollution. Many people in cities used face masks due to pollution at that time. From March 23rd onwards, people had lost their busy life and made to stay at home with no vehicles to be on road. As many are busy roaming in streets normally, at quarantine what these people are doing at homes. Everyone are made to stay at home. Offices gave work to be done from home and some don't have work or jobs. Do you think they are sad after losing job or salary? No, opposite to our perception, they are making their own ways to explore their talents to learn new things. People are eating well, sleeping sound and staying peaceful at home. They got rid of mental tensions and depression, sort out of medical illness beating the summer with chilling at home. TikTok. After YouTuber Strong opposed to uninstall this Chinese application, it got a single star rating and within a couple of days started raising its stardom in Play Store again. Everyone tried their level of mono acting skills in TikTok and is gone as quarantine trend for the past 60 days. Not limited to general public, celebrities and cricketers made their presence in TikTok to dub smash the famous songs and dialogues. Sitting idle is boredom. People want entertainment, companies want money. OTT platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney Plus, Hotstar and many local platforms attracted people with their subscription models and their content. Even if they doesn't understand Spanish, people watched Money Heist and the series topped the charts. Not just the online series, some movies also directly released in OTT platforms and people got excited to get new movies released in their subscribed platforms. Not PUBG or Call of Duty. Ludo King is the real king of games in lockdown. Kids and elders, on a daily average everyone played it for an hour. YouTube is the another source of entertainment and learning skills in this lockdown. YouTube just reduced the video quality to 480p maximum to consume less mobile data and made people to watch more videos. Content creators had more casual time in quarantine that made them to create more videos than in normal days. Everyone tried of their mad cooking skills at lockdown, and even some tried to make variety of dishes that made to wake up an underneath chef in them. Art of painting, singing, dancing, handicrafts, storytelling had seen a rise in the people. Like Bigg Boss show making people stay at home for 90 days or more, final contestant receiving considerable prize money. This lockdown is more like a real-time Bigg Boss show with no essentials, no jobs, no money, also no prize money after the lockdown ends. Even Modi had given some weird tasks to people of India like banging utensils to make noise, lighting diyas for 9 minutes at 9 o'clock. People are real heroes with less food and money sticking to home, and police officers and medical staff are superheroes responsible for making us stay at home and treating the violators. Gotcha! You got new things learned in our Locally Trends. Do click the red color subscribe button next to Locally branding. Also please like and share this video to all your friends as they will get to know the new things.